Welcome back to the channel. Paint session. We're still on the wiggle warts, or just getting started. We got the Phantom Red today. If you're interested in checking out how we did this pattern and the colors that went into it, come on and follow me. We're going to spray some paint. I'm having a few little problems with the GoPro here. So I don't know if I had a corrupt file or what, but I missed my base coat on the original, but I've got another one to do. I'm going to turn the pressure back up and we'll reshoot that second coat. And again, this is Phantom Red Craw. And we're adding a little bit of a twist to it. I'm changing the red up. I'll go with, I'll give you that when we get to the end of the video this time, since we missed the introduction. But since we missed the introduction, I'll go over the colors that went into this at the end of the video. So we're going to add our color. I don't always do this, but I like to on these particular patterns. I need to get me a little longer stencil here. Of course, I've been using this one for years, so add our tail segments. Go ahead and add a little color to the eye. Alright, so we've got our pattern on. I'm going to add a little bit of a contrasting red to the sides, as in our last Phantom color we did. We usually put these little spots. That's how the originals were. And although this one originally didn't have this contrasting red, I like it. So we're adding it. And I think the customer will appreciate that as well. We're going to leave the bill blank. And we need to add a little more black to the eye. I'm going to freehand it. I really like this real subtle black that I use on this particular bait because I want the red to be the most prominent part of the pattern. And, you know, I really thin this black magenta out. So we'll cover the color in this. The main color is burgundy. The spots on the side of the bait is just a bright red. And then black magenta for the crawl markings and the eye color. Customer didn't state whether or not he wanted any kind of added colors on the lips, so I'm going to leave it somewhat original to the pattern. So this is the Phantom Red Crawl on a pre-rapala wiggle wart repaint, and different than probably the original I've done 4 or 5 years ago. Who knows? So I appreciate you guys stopping in and checking out the channel, and hopefully you'll stick around to the end to see this clear coated in those pictures. It'll really bring out those contrasting colors of the reds. If you like the video, please remember to hit the thumbs up button for me, and by all means comment and share this video. Hope it's been productive for you, and you've picked up a couple little things that you can use in your painting arsenal. Till next week, Green Country Bait signing out.